In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching it and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top. Now click on any of those themes. Use this switcher next to keyboarders and when you're ready, hit apply. If you want to customize your keyboard though, click on color palette again and use this plus under my themes to tap on any photo you wish to set up as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done, manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!